What's going on, team? It's Friday the 11th of July and we just ended a pretty rough week. It was actually a pretty rough week, but it gave us amazing setups. Out of all the trades that I executed, I saw no drawdown throughout this week. Let me actually show you guys some of the trades I executed this week. Starting by, let me just make it white so that it can be a bit more clear. Starting by EU. On EU this week, I executed a sell trade, which was a 1:3 risk reward ratio, which was this one over here. I saw no drawdown at all. Price went straight to TP and started hitting our TP1, TP2, and hitting our TP3, essentially, which I was targeting this low over here. And price reverses and consolidated, and I did not get another setup over here, which I was expecting another stop hunt. I didn't get it. Therefore, I did not execute on this specific pair. Over here also I did not execute as well. And today as well, Friday, I'm expecting Friday to be kind of slow, so therefore I don't think I'm going to be executing on this specific pair as well today. So then let us go to GU as well, which is GBP USD. GBP USD is the second trade which we ended executing throughout this week yesterday, which was also quite good. We did see just little drawdown, given that we executed right here. And what actually made me take this trade, I think I should just give a full breakdown of what made me take these trades, so basically we had peak formation low, we had lower level 1, level 2, level 3. So after seeing 2 to 3 days of rise, we now know that we are now expecting price to reverse and go the opposite direction of the market. So from then we started looking for sell opportunities. I wasn't really looking at GU, or else I'm pretty sure I would have caught some other setup, which was this one over here on level 1, and this one as well. I'm pretty sure I would have caught this one, and I would have caught this one as well, targeting the Asia low or somewhere around this price point over here. So since I wasn't looking at GU, I was currently just looking at EU. Too bad. I would have caught all of these ones. But then yesterday I ended up taking a look at GU, and I found out that it was actually during the live session. Some of the guys that usually attend my live session, they asked me what's happening on GU. That's when I ended up going to GU and looking at GU, and we took this trade right here. We saw a bit of drawdown, which was like 7 pips, and our stop was above the high, which was 15 pips. Drawdown was like 7.7 pips, 7.5 pips over here. And then from then, which only lasted like we entered around this point over here. So this would be like an hour and a half, probably an hour and a half. And from then, price went straight all the way to our TP, dropping as I was targeting this area over here. But before price came here, I decided, let me just reverse it a little bit more. That's when I ended up targeting this area. And it's just crazy how price actually just reversed right there, which is pretty crazy, honestly. This is one of the good things. Don't get too greedy, always put your stop before. You don't really necessarily need to put it here. You can put it somewhere here or something like that sort. So I ended up exiting this trade somewhere around this point over here. And today, from what I can see right now, obviously we had our level 1, we had our level 2, and since we are now at our level 2 on GU, for today I'm not really going to be executing any trades on it, because currently it's forming a W, meaning that it could possibly want to go back over here and just consolidate to close off the week, and that would be a counter trend trade for me. Right now it looks like it's a W formation and it wants to close. So if you guys are interested, and if you can catch it on time, you could also be taking a long position over here. Actually, let me just take a long position over here. My stop is going to be quite small, as I'm willing to lose this one. I don't care, honestly. So what I want to see first is price close above the 18 EMA before I can enter, because right now price hasn't closed yet above the 18 EMA. Price closes, I would be interested in taking a short buy, which would be 1:1 or 1:2 probably, and this would be a counter trend on GU. So on EU as well, what made me take this trade? Obviously, we saw 3 levels of rise: level 1, level 2, level 3. Though you can't see right now because I was analyzing on the black chart. You can see we had level 1, level 2, level 3, and from that point you can see that price dropped, gave us our level 1, dropped, gave us our level 2, and currently we are at our level 3 on EU. So this is why we took this trade, because we were now expecting price to give us some sort of stop hunt to the high. This is the Asian, so they gave us that stop hunt to the high. That's when we ended up entering this one, and from this point right now I don't see any sort of confirmation, therefore I won't really be executing on this specific pair. So okay guys, I wanted to make this as short as possible, just a quick breakdown and just what we took, the trades we took throughout the week, and yeah, that's about it. I'll catch you guys during next week. I hope that the market will present some nice probabilities for us so that we can cash in as well. The auto trading system is still active. Great, huge returns. If you still want to get a hold of the trading system, you can find the link in the description below. You can get the free 3-month trial and go from there. Alright guys, so catch you guys on the next one. Bye.